Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings. Welcome to Line for TV. Right now we're there with the man himself, Steady Remz. The man at the moment with the big song, big food, chop. Remz, what go on?
There you know, fam.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, fully caught up, man.
Yes, man. It's an honor for me in person,
Yeah.
in the flesh. So, first, man, I say give thanks for this opportunity. You know what I mean? For come and share your journey, your story. Musically, school days, and all from when the journey starts. You know, back from Jamaica. So, anything to the fans, them, to the media, them?
So, first and foremost, I go by the name Sheldon Swaby. You see me? That's my government name, and you know, we used the name Sheldon. You see me? Convert from Sheldon to Steady Remz. So, my journey in music now. Well, we're upbringing. My mother have a sound system and my father, so we grew up hearing music in the house every time.
So hold it, Sheldon. So Sheldon, Sheldon was the first artist name?
Yeah.
Alright, so before we go to the music side,
Yeah.
which part of Jamaica you forward from?
Linstead, St. Catherine.
Oh, Linstead, St. Catherine.
Yeah,
Linstead, see, big up all Linstead eyes. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, Linstead, big up the whole of you and Bagua at Linstead. You don't know the whole code, though.
See, in school days.
Charlie Mount High School, man. Big up in the seat there. Eagle, when I left the sign in, that's why I put up the eagle. That's why I'm an emblem of eagle.
See, so like from your basic school, which school you started out?
Well,
from,
you know, Margaret Road Basic School. And then we go Youthton Primary School. And then we left from there to go Charlie Mount High School. Then we left from there, we went Lodersville Art Academy. Then we leave and go Portmore Art Academy. We study general construction. So I'm qualified in general construction, masonry, and you know, say I am also an epoxy specialist. So with the floors, everything. So I'm a skilled trade person and very educated and articulate, you know.
Okay, see, so how was your school days growing up in Linstead? So all the school them based in Linstead, right?
Yeah.
See, put the mic behind, in front of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So the school days, growing up in school, what were the school days like?
Well, school was good, you know. Always fun going to school, because you know why? When I go to school, I always in activities. So we play football, we do cheerleading. So, you know, we and the girls, them always out there, and we teach them for dance, because I'm a bad skank, you know. Yeah, man, so you see it in my entertainment. So when I perform as an entertainer. So school was very nice, you see me? But, you know, you have your good and your bad times. Because, you know, we used to clash at school, do music. We known at school from grade 7 make popular. Because mash up a place in my skanking days. Mash up a place with music, clash back to back. We do everything, football. So it was a very complete school system for me. Educational wise, I left school with 9 CXC. You see me? So everything was just, it was just a fun time. School was my best experience.
See, I can see that you're a sport oriented person as well. So
yeah, man.
very active. I see you have the dancing move. I see you up on the beach, big food chop. Yeah, say yes, practice and move.
Yeah, man.
You see, so how was your financial wise with your parents growing up?
Alright, so
in Linstead?
I would even say, but that's we live in a garrison, yes. Definitely. But guess what? My mother and my father work very hard to make sure we have a better life. So in that sense, we always always have things, but we always have food. The necessary things them, I have them.
See,
so basic, more they say, I grew up suffering. I don't know the suffering part, I know the hard part, and I know the struggles. I see the struggles where them go through to make sure that things good for we.
For you, yeah. True.
So me now go tell us say, yo, it was this and that, and no, me no know hungry.
Yeah.
Me go through now and then, you know you go through, but them provide food and basic necessity.
Yeah. And how many siblings? Yeah.
So me and my brother grew up in our household, and there are other family members like aunties, cousins, and so forth to come along. Yeah, but we have daddy a bad boy now. Now I get myself in a problem, but we have other siblings outside.
See, okay. Yeah. Big up brother and sister them, yeah.
Yeah, big up my brother and my sister them. Big up all our brother them. You know the code, though. Yeah, man.
Okay, so during school days, you started you're playing football. You're playing singing the choir. You said?
No, I never did choir, but because funny enough, you know, when I was in high school, you know, we do music for fun. The main thing was football. football and skanking.
Oh.
I love dance, man. Wow, love dance. So music was like a hobby to me. So me go music room. I we keep function there. So drama class and things are going a function me I keep. Me and the girls them go down there, we party we I keep.
So
Turn on the music and them.
they used to beat the desk on them. Everybody used to beat
Everybody
this.
what? Beat you have to know the number one rhythm them man. When they sit up. Rhythm man. Oh yeah, talk about man been in that to form a group. You see me at high school. Mr. Scott, you don't know, pick up yourself because you help change my life in as it relates to them things because we did do fully get trouble, well bad, You see me? We have a member grand group, a bad influence, So we cause a musical group, dance group, and friends together.
Yeah.
So that's how but him change my life because guess what? We not take a negative turn.
True.
In a society as youth, man and we get involved in a certain things and it in a turn down a way and more prepare and show say yo see that this is how going on.
Yeah.
And show me and we kind of change it and reform it and see we are now the product of music. Everybody will know me from there and know somebody have to be in entertainment somewhere.
So when did you discover that music you want to do? When did you realize that?
Alright, 2016 my father passed away.
Rest in peace, Daddy.
Yeah man, rest in peace my general, That she take a turn in my life and I say, him is a singer.
Oh, your daddy's a singer as well?
Yeah man, big baritone singer man. And you sing in Jimmy with them. She wears my ring. Yeah man, so we have a baritone, but you know what I call the guy already. So when he used to sing and entertain in pubs all around England and so forth with them bands and everything. So I used to do the music and so forth. So that in my genes.
Okay,
So when that time now I was like,
so your dad passed away in England?
No, Jamaica.
Okay.
2016, yeah. So then I just say, I'm gonna do the music, yeah. And I start do it as Sheladan and everybody love it. Everybody take on to me. Community love me, vibes, everybody love it and everything and financial things and we reaching a certain things and I look at thing in the music thing will reach me and it does convert and demotivate me up on a level and put you in a mindset. Everything you need money and financially I never really have it. You see me? So it kind of push you to do some things that you don't really want to do. So I kind of just.
So 2016, you officially said music you want to do.
Music, yeah.
So how was the journey like when you started out? How was the experience?
It was good, because the first time, I can remember the first time I go front the audience. Different from school, when we used to do it for fun. First time I go front the audience as Sheladan, as the product, and deliver. The entire place was in a frenzy. And I was like, yo, that feeling, it feels different from when I dance and I entertain the people. It's a different feeling, so me not crowd shy, because I'm used to it from young stage. So when you do that now, we realize, yo, no, the people actually love it.
The response was good.
What you talk about, man? Come and make a song for big up my place.
Them
never know you what handling instead of my place. From your distance, then a couple shot in your face, 7.62. I run in your face. I sell you down a runny place. You see me? So when I sing them the song, the whole place, I'm an anthem. You what handling said anthem.
So that was the first ever song?
First ever song in the studio.
Yeah.
Whole Linstead from my friends. Anyway, I say, if I want the whole place, if you look like down a Middle East, me go walk roof road chart and I run a east. Trinity man am your food quicker than Chinese if I turn. Make up on playlist but the star free Charlie Mount. But you see me so every place me big up in a song.
So from there reception was good. You get encouraged to carry on.
You see me? Yeah man. So then we find a next song now we name 10 out of 10. You see me? Drop that song then. We don't drop it on the media still, but guess what? This is back then, come to think of it, we never used to know how to put out song. We think a YouTube song put on the bus. So when I said it's alright, they will put it up on the YouTube and it's alright, then song I go release. Producer tell me, say, yo, when I say 10 out of 10, I say, yo, that are officially out with video and everything. This I got boss me, I'm a big song this. And so forth till we just hear somebody else come out with a song, 10 out of 10. You see me? Same style, the thing them realize that some leak one in the studio and the thing reach from the media and other people get ideas and it does come back and it does cause a look at the motivation, a dent in my motivation. Because you need money for go on with certain things. And I just say, what, from then we just put me on a different heights. I say, alright, I never stop writing. But I didn't know, so I needed any financial backing to help my career.
Help push your career.
Yeah, I never have it at the time. So, forward now to England. Forward to England now, and there, it's alright. Things are more better. 2020 that now.
So 2020 you're forward to 4 years after you migrated to England.
Yes, 4 years later, I migrated to England.
And you still had the courage and everything, the mindset to do music.
I had it, but I wasn't highly motivated. So, I link up with my G now named Marlon. Big up Marlon Palmer. Big up yourself, man, Miss Marlon Smoke, you know the code. So the general now, he and me a DJ, so we did then, my family would have say, yo, continue to do it, and I say, yo, people, my fans them text me all the while. I say, yo, when you song, yo, when I release this, yo, what song? And my eyes I tell them, soon, man, soon, and the thing does, now I get that fully motivation push this. So when COVID forward now and thing, we're there.
Alright, stick up in there, so when you forward to the UK, share some of your experience, or was it like you coming to England, because you know some people come to England for the first time, get depressed, and they want to go back home, say, oh, well, you're nice, boring, no sunshine. What was your experience when you first came to the UK?
Yeah, man, so my experience, you know, it was a mixture. Because the first thing when I found out I get to the airport, I say, yo, I want to turn back. Because the breeze that we're blowing, no normal. You see, like, say, when you open the deep freeze,
so
and that cold mist there.
You found that winter time?
March.
Oh, March.
Yeah, man, so it winter just a simmer down.
Simmer.
Yeah, man, so I say, yo, Jano, I want to turn back, you know. But then I look out and say, you know, man, I got experience the place and thing, and then the jelly in, and then boom, 2 weeks later, pandemic. Place locked down. I said, what is me reaching now? What joke thing this?
Oh, you come right in the pandemic?
As me reach 2 weeks later, exactly 2 weeks later, I forward pandemic. I say, what is? Yo, I start all the question myself and how I start. So I come like say, yo, I cut go back same time. And thing, you know. But then I just realize, say, yo, you know, it's your journey.
Yeah.
Some things that we can't control, you know.
Yeah, an opportunity as well. You know?
Yeah, it was a good opportunity because we left for better.
Better, true.
Yeah, because as I say, financially it was a challenge, you know, and we did that lead in a direction where it's not a good one, you know. So I'm glad to make the turn and feel better.
You had friends and families to help you feel at home in the UK.
Yeah, man. We have a lot of family in the UK. Yeah, man, and we develop friends as we go along. Yeah, man. So it was a mixture. Because I want to go back and I say, yo, the day I feel betterment and this thing I must over. Because nothing last year. Nothing. You see me on the time alone last year. So we say, alright, here we go on. You got to adjust yourself and thing. And we start doing a little thing, work and climatize yourself to the environment, you know?
The system.
Yeah, the weather was and is still the most problematic thing in the UK, you know? And we realize the people are not really friendly as Jamaicans. You see like how friendly I are, we just say, yo, big up yourself, but you know, walk on morning. And them think your morning and your hands stay so said way and people pass it like them. I say, we are talking to. You see me, so them think that we get for understand and everybody really social.
Culture,
yeah, people don't like socialize and you know, we just get to climatize yourself and understand how the UK were after from time to time, you know?
Yeah,
man. But no, we're not cool, man. Jamaica is my place, man.
Yeah, man. So, alright, you're coming to the UK now, settle down, and then when you decided to start back the music?
Alright, so, you know, it's 2021 now. That's the January 2021. We meet up with a producer in the UK, you know, for our birthday party, and they play around and I play some of my instruments. And I said, yeah, I'm a bad artist, and I say, bad artist. Me, what you say? Everybody artist in Jamaica, you know. I sit and start DJ, man say, yo, man say, but him bad. Yo, we are growing at the studio. Thing.
You wish to name that producer?
Yeah, man, Royal Music Production, man. Big up Royal Music Production. I produce Supercharge, isn't it?
Oh, so he's the first one who took you to the studio?
Yeah, first one we go studio with, yeah, man. Royal Music Production. So, big up Royal Music Production. Me and him connect up and we do Supercharge in June. Yeah, we just do because we not try to get around studio and I try to finalize some things and sort out some things, and officially the song released 2021.
Supercharge.
Supercharge.
You could be said that, no?
Right and now, bad man boy, me call them Krillin. Them no real boy, yeah, them just a pretend. Them want be we and we no want be them hard cool like a freezer. Vegan Vegeta. Me Super Saiyan Lion Foot, your supercharge. Me Super Saiyan right now, me supercharge. Me girl them pretty like them new Nicki Minaj and a BSP shape park in my garage. Jamaica to London and me like the central. Loyal to my fam, coulda never touch my friend girl. Check the registration card, the car them on no rental. Sick in my head, them couldn't diss them no me mental. No name for boy, me green me call him Piccolo. Colonna kiki shake like a Pikachu. Yeah girl, I say me long like sneak way down a zoo. And I hate to make you sick and never COVID and no flow. Me Super Saiyan right now, me supercharge.
Supercharge, right? We love that flow, we love the flow, we love the flow. Is there a visual out for that song?
It's not a visual, you know. People want it for the visual, you know. But, you know, certain things happen and, you know.
So is it out on digital platforms?
All digital platforms, supercharged, isn't it? Out on all digital platforms. You can stream it on Apple. You can go Spotify, YouTube, Amazon, Deezer, everywhere there.
Okay, so continue then from the journey from the studio.
Yeah, so we set some foot boom officially. You know, before that, you know, as I say, Marlon smoke, general that, you know. Yeah, man, so him hear me and him say, yo, bro, you know voice a song. You know voice a song, brother. You're there studio all the while with the man, and me not hear your voice a song. And I say, yo, no, so man, we organize up the thing. So I'm send a rhythm forward. I tell you what the supercharge forward too, because me never thought the story too, you know. It's a supercharge exclusive, I get to know.
Yeah, man,
so supercharge, you know. Him send the rhythm, and him say name the rhythm Super Saiyan for him daughter. Because his daughter was watching Dragon Ball Z, you know, and him send the rhythm Super Saiyan. And I say, yo, you know, I'm going to bring your daughter image to life. I'm going to make a song with this. And him did that in my laugh. I said, alright. 2 days I call him back and say, yo, hear this. Boom. Finalize the song and send it to him. From a voice note. Man, I say, yo, we need to go to studio now. You know, all and link him up and we go to studio, voice up the song. I say, yo, I can't believe this. This coming like a cartoon, real thing. I say, yeah, man. If you just mix it and fuse it. So I saw Super Saiyan come across, isn't it?
Super Saiyan or
Supercharge. So the rhythm is Super Saiyan, but the song is Supercharge. Yeah. Yeah, man. So as it relates from this now, we take it on now and then we do a song called which song we do after? Workout Time. We do Workout Time after now. So we link up with Blender Records.
Was that for a different production? Different producer?
Yeah, different producer. You see me? So Blender forward out and I connect up with him. You see me? And we link up and give me the rhythm. We say, yo, more that rhythm. We give me idea, tell him, oh, more the rhythm for knock and thing. Get it knock and start out. And I say, alright, boom. Him knock it, give me, boom. Same time him knock it, me give him a song. Say, yo, see it there now. So, this a Workout Time forward now. The girl them mad. I say, yeah, alright. This is the song we're going to run with. Because Supercharge now, you want Supercharge. But do Supercharge, but we never follow the road with it. So I get the full, yeah, I not get the full promotion. You see me? Because when I do it, I just did it, and as I say, I just acclimatize myself and the family there, and we say, alright, them I say, you know, I say, your music you have to go in the street, but and everybody want in the street, everybody have the time when you want and everything. And I say, yo, I say, yo, I just knew you, I get to understand the place and certain things. I just go certain place because, you know, I know the streets run and things. So that was 2021, 2022 now. So that
2021 your record
Supercharge, yo, that at June and 2020 so Supercharge, so then me repeat them then super when me tell about the name change too. I'm gonna tell about the name change because I was named Shiller than before my voice. That was the name. I changed my name to Steady Remz now. So that's the conversion just before my voice the song. Now 2021 before my voice the song and
Supercharge.
Yes, before my voice Supercharge. I say, I need a name now. Cause guess what now? The Shiller the Dan stigma now I'm too marketable. You know, and and certain things you know, more or left the past in the past, cause you know I say certain things were stigmatized.
Shiller than from Jamaica.
Yeah, and more certain things were stigmatized with me and more kind of shun it, so I just rebrand the thing, repackage it.
Well, so was that your own self-thought or someone suggested it to you?
Self-thought. Because I was like, you know, I see where I'm going with it and the change. I need to make a change because, as I say, it was bringing me down a different road.
True.
You know, the kind of people we associate with and certain things, and people know yes that if I say that, a man knows, oh, you're the man, they are this and them man, they are that. That is how artists I don't want if you stigmatize me on a level. So, based on that now, I change it. to Steady Remz. How me get the name Steady Remz now? From Kibaki. You see me? Big up Kibaki. You know?
Yeah.
Man,
Big up Kibaki, man.
Yeah, man, my uncle, you know. So him give me the name Steady Remz. Because he must say my Remz are always steady. You see me? Because me has a whole positive reasoning and good vibration.
So you come from a musical family, man.
Yeah, man.
See, because I see up on the ground and do the work.
Yeah,
Kibaki and all of them, you know what I mean? And
Yeah,
I say, yeah. So, I know Kibaki, I know singing sweet and
Singing
boom boom,
sweet.
fully bad. You know what I mean? So, you see,
One Kingston yet, man.
so music, you come from a musical family, man. That's good.
Definitely. Yeah, man, yeah, with jeans, man.
Yeah, man, continue, man.
So, yeah, so name change and no one voice the song. We meet up and now, so workout time and all. I say, alright. But the day I say, yo, you work one. When you COVID come out, everybody get fat. I say, no man, everybody need to go work out. So the girl them need to go work out now. So I say, I go sing something well. Because my topics them different, you know. If you listen to my topics, them are something nobody not sing about. Nobody not sing about gym. You see me? So I said to a woman, I saw come workout time forward, but I say, I want to put it in the gym with the girls them. I don't want to have it like no, I tell you about a bench press and them thing. No. I want to put it with the girls them. So my song now, I just find a song there, pan the bad soca dance and mix, and I just set a root and show it a road.
Yeah.
First time I demo it, that's my first time I perform in the UK. We go on a show up at Ramford on talent thing. You see me? Open mic session. And when me unleash the bomb, man, I said so and go there, place in a frenzy. Mash up the entire place. Flatten everybody.
2022.
Yes, 2022 March. So that was February. And I say, yo, my voice is singing. That song in the voice, you know?
No voice.
First
I see on the camera, man. So how the artist are work, man. Next song, I like it.
The
I like
song
that,
yeah, cause
So-
no workout time. No, at that time the song never fight. The song no workout time voice, you know.
Oh, the one, yeah.
The workout time already out and everything. But at 2022
yeah,
February when I
wasn't-
performed the first time in the
wasn't
UK,
Vice.
it wasn't voice.
See.
So that is when me say, alright, you know what go on? No man, people them love me in the UK. Cause when me I get the vibe, I say, nah man, this is what them need. Cause I was watching a lot of artists perform and different genres as well. And I was like, no man, the people them love this. But guess what? So when me perform, it's like a different energy.
Frenzy,
Yeah, it's like people them see God when them see me. Cause from the day, you know, image me always have my image. Cause as an artist, I have to have image. Me always respect that and pay
Yeah, man.
attention to how I carry myself. So when we did it, everybody want to know who the youth are. Cause people ask me and you can see it. So me I say, alright, well, me gonna soon find out who me be.
Yeah.
Mash up a place, workout time. Me I say, yo, the song you not release it, but I release it underneath the stage tune. Boom. Got the studio the next 2 days after I call the producer and say, yo, the song that I need to record it, dog. Record it, put it up, music. Couldn't say, yo, brother, the song you not go so enough music video. Shoot the music video. So my music video they on Steady Remz Vivo, and you can go check it out. Workout time. Can't miss.
See, and that was released in 2022.
22 March.
Last year, see.
Yeah, 2022 March. I released that and video clean. Yo, listen,
Yeah, man, go and check it out. You all could be set now.
Yeah, every girl me say wine. Say every girl say you work out time, girl a work out time, girl a work out time. Girl your body pretty and me like your design. Girl back it up and Brems give me a wine. Girl, welcome to my gym. Fluffy girl, thick girl, we broad girl, we slim. Under me girl a yam mix with the dumpling. When you turn back, where you see it and say you sin. Man a kill it with joke like knee clamping. You know want banana, you want plantain. Girl when you wine, you wine like that. Don't stop. Take the no, be a bit of body that you say chop. Girl when you boom, flick, pop on the head, split on the ground, you want broke my body head when you pine and you go down and come up. Take a girl man, you know stiff like robot. Oh, you mean say work out time.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. So, but I like your flow. I like your flow. I must say is a very versatile artist.
Yeah.
I have different flows, different lyrics, lyric content, them different, and that's how you can tell a good artist.
Yeah.
God, as I said, the versatility is various.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, how do you get inspired to write the music?
Alright, you know, my inspiration are just the rhythm and the environment.
So you get the rhythm under your meds, or your meds without the
Alright,
rhythm?
you see, it depends. Because sometimes we just there meds, I'm have it in my head, right through. We have the flow and everything in my head.
Without having a rhythm?
Yeah, me just tell the producer, say, yo, here, when I send a rhythm, I send a rhythm and say, yo, change out the part, the more you knock this, more on the bass and I doom, more on the doop, so, and you change it up, more on the snare there, so. So, me direct what I want.
Yeah, and that's good.
Yeah,
That's
me
good.
know what I want. Me can reach us today, right at this moment, and me say, yo, Lion, me have this in my head, you know, more you beat the rhythm, so, more you beat this, more you change that, and that, and you get a hit song right so.
Mm.
To them, I make a song right here, right now. You
That's
can do
good.
that.
And do you write or you do
Meds.
both? Meds.
You see, all depends now. So let me show you now. So different kind of things. You have different meds songs that storytelling, because certain songs you cannot just freestyle or meds like that. You have to write because you want the thing to come across the life. Because I have some songs that nobody that hear them yet. But when they hear that side of the Remz, I tell you, not normal. Yeah, man. Because some song you have to write because it's deep. It's coming from a different place. You have some song that does offer your frequency.
Yeah.
So a studio might just full of vibes and you feel it does vibe. But you have some song where you have to construct. You sit down and pen it. You see me? So that is what some of my songs is like about. Workout time, meds. You see me? Supercharge, meds and pen. You understand? So I said, come along, man.
Yeah, man, really, because that's how I write on my meds as well, you know. But as what you say, so certain song you have to write, where you know it's like a comprehension.
Comprehension, that is it.
You know?
You need to put in the right elements in it.
In it, yeah. So people can listen, because on my experience, you know, just by listening to some of my songs, them people will say like, you sound like a high school you're going, you sound like an educated person. And this is what people said to me on several times, several occasions, you know.
Yes.
You can tell the story, you always the song them storytelling. So this is good.
My song them I'm left off your fight. Any story me started constantly. Me not all over the place. My songs them structured. Every one of my songs structured. Yeah.
So continue from 2022.
Alright, so workout time now and thing. We said alright, here we go on now. We say, you know, say I give them a different side again. Because I said so boom. I go supercharge, this is just a vibe. I'm a girl, you know what I do? I give them a bad man side to me now. You see me, I give them peace. Why I say dark side. So I say, alright, release Murder Time now. Link back to see a market blender again. I say, yo blender, you are going now. More you not carry them for me. You see me, because I have a thing in my head more make people them know what going on. So yeah, a different levels there. Because I don't want to release be a thing and you box me now and think, because there's no box to Steady Remz. That's why in Supercharge me have the world. I stand up on the world and look down, because I make them know that the world is mine. And I come feet, you see me?
True. Yeah, I like the confidence.
Oh, talk about, man. Marcus Garvey once said, man, that last confidence is twice defeated in the race of life, you know.
True.
You see me? So I'm always confident, because you know what you can do. You deliver it the best way when you're confident, you see me?
So that time you've been working with, you had a producer working with straight, or you just working with different producers?
Well, I never have a producer straight to work with, you know. It's just like I always connect up with producers. Like I'm not afraid to reach out to people as well. So I reach out, I see your work and whatever, I reach out and so forth. So, you know, we reach out and him accept and we link up and we do the right thing. So him do the workout time, him the murder time as well.
See.
Yeah, and so forth.
So murder time also is also out on
all digital platforms.
Look a piece of Murder Time, man.
Yeah, man. Them a post and a tell me them a chop a dog. Think them can distilling two man live abroad. Them thing a flour and soap in the barrel Steady Remz so me send a yard. Make them know say ya one phone call. Every bomber rise, every matic rise. Man a drop like flies. This the link that no wise. Face boss, mother could even break a nice silencer. And my rifle it no make no noise. Me a dopey make when dark side pass through. And every beef get mash up in a roster. Them attack and not tell me them a chopper man a blood clot, jaw clot. So me shot the fast food. A murder time. A double murder dark side when you do the crime. Murder time. Them never kill nobody, none of them no do no time. Murder time. Them attack tough, them dopey never cast it. A do special na the yang cast me. A lion foot lift up the Glock 40. And bossy made flat buffy 9 party. Me running at your place and a X-30. Nobody can't tell me fit on a you starter. You see the same person wife up the shorty. A client fit to touch it every day cause she hand it. Yeah, man.
You're mad. So, what we get right now, we get a girl song, we get a bad man song, and we get a supercharged song. So that's three different topics, three different genres. So that's how you tell a good artist. I have some artists that stick in a one lane, their strength is more gun song, or their strength is more slack song, or, you know what I mean? But
everything, man.
You're very versatile. Your versatility up.
Yeah, man. Fully,
man.
Fully that. Fully connect, man. You know the code.
Yes, man. So, continue 2022. Is there a visual for that song?
No visual, you know.
What was the reception for that song?
Yeah, you know, said that song they get good vibe. Yeah, man, they get good vibe, but me never promote it as much as workout time because of the visual. You know, so because it's like me do, it's like a space filler for me. It was me wasn't taking it serious. That song there. It's like I don't want go down the bad man route. I mean, I try to pocket myself because guess what? The girl song, the workout time, they like give me a vibe.
Yeah.
Where people are people, the supercharts and the workout time is where people know me for because me deliver them more. And when me deliver the bad man, me get it the forward, but me never really want to go in at the bad man lane because as me say, me pass and me don't want it bring up back and you get stigmatized back again. So me kind of shun it to a little extent.
Yeah.
But that is me. I'm say, yo, yeah, what I have to do want me. Because me can't stick in a one lane. Me do everything. Everything. You see me? Me love the bad man lyrics. Me love it. You see me? Me have to talk what me see. As you say, we're an artist. So we pay and pitch stuff, everything.
Yeah, yeah. So, which one of the genre them topics them you would say you get more reaction from? When you do a bad man song or if you do a girl song?
Girl. Yeah, man, the girl, them love it. Girl song give me the better receptions.
See, yeah. I have some artists, as me say, them strength is more gun songs. So when them do gun lyrics, them get big forward.
Yeah. You know, say,
you know?
Tell you the truth, you see me deliver with any song I can use. I can use a culture song in any place and mash it up. Because it's not about what you do, it's how you do what you do. You understand? So, but me try to work with the girl song more because it's more a wider audience. A woman buy music more than man.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand? So from the girls I love you.
Girl song you can't go wrong.
Yeah, so I can't go wrong with that. So that's just one of the main things we use. I would just say, you know, alright then boom. But any song man, supercharge get yo. Listen, they call me supercharge boss on road. Them say me super sad sign because my is a jump and entertain and my is full of energy. So them say me fully charged. Me make them know say, yeah man, I solar, I'm charge man. Yeah, you see me?
Yeah. So what came after the gun song there?
Alright, so then we have a song named Bad Man now. So me link up with Dark Charm now. I see the rhythm I run and thing. So, I should have said the rhythm there when it just dropped. But I see the rhythm and it I run and I like it and I said some reach out to Dark Charm. I say, yo, Dark Charm, boom. The man sits and screw my file. The man say, yo, where you did there all along? He's a UK artist. I'm gonna know you. No man, youth. See rhythm and yo, go and go voice on it. I link him and man send me to them. Link him on tomorrow. I say, yo, I find the song, you know. I say, what? Already? Me hear it. Boom. Call him and make him hear what I go. And the man say, yo, guys to the dog. Guys to the go voice it. No one should be taught. Yeah. So boom. Voice it. Bad man out. They said me, I say alright then, cause them time there, I say alright then. The rhythm I run, this a song upon it, that the song alright. I give them a different song. Bad man. You see me? Yeah man. So me I say, that's the song that me I say, Bama 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 bama, please lift up anytime I drop the hot song, yeah. Dark side, dark charm and a headbanger. Your girl say she want the snake, this a anaconda. Your girl drop it, yeah, that me like. When she sit down on the cocky, ride it like a bike. Say you want romance, give your candlelight. Say you bad man, you want touch your body all night. Bad man, you want girl, you know want freak. You know want no boy where you eat and sleep. Dark side, president of wine, you make dark charm like it's straight. Ah, bad man, what she want, bad man. Ah, bad man, what she want, bad man. She no want no coward, we run tracks, man. She link lion food, crime full of action. Bad man, what she want, bad man. I could do him see him wanna like the damn ground. If you see with them, leave you with a drop down. Lift up the rifle and them no stop run. Them a saint when Sir P check them background.
Yeah,
man.
We go selfie. So, but you mentioned Dark Side of that. Is that a group, a crew, or just a slang?
No, Dark Side is a movement, man.
It's a movement.
Yeah, man.
See?
So, if you are with Steady Remz, you're on the dark side. And when I say you're on the dark side, I mean all light shine from darkness. So, not dark side meaning you're dark, or the skin tone, or relate to anything dark. It relates to the star need darkness to shine.
True.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you're in light, that's why the stars don't shine in day. You don't see stars at day, right? I'm a superstar.
Yeah.
So you only see me in the darkness. I shine bright. So that's where the dark side come from.
See, yeah. And one thing we should have asked you before, let's recap. The Steady Remz. How did the Steady Remz come about? Can you break it down?
So as I said, the Steady Remz is the name was given to me by Kibaki because him say I always have a steady Remz. So my meds or me think or me bring myself and my personality is always just one consistency. I mean, I always deliver consistency, whether with my music, my performance, who I am is just a consistent person. If you see my work ethics, or my always just I put in the work, that's just me. So I'm say Steady Remz, because my meds and so forth. So then for that's a name fit me as a person. It might not fit certain things, because you know say them say me supercharge as me tell you. So them say me not steady. Me to charge up. You see me? But Steady Remz is right.
Steady Remz, yeah. See,
Steady Remz steady man.
so forward now to 22 to 23. Your next project is Big Food.
Yeah man.
How did that come about?
Alright, so big up YGP, you see me?
One camp.
You see me? Yeah man. And big up Eastside Sensation. You see me? Yeah man. So Big Food forward now, so we see the rhythm and thing and link up and thing and we say yo boops and send the rhythm forward. See him here because I'm not afraid to reach out. You understand? If you hear something you reach out, and because guess what? That's the only way, because me is not a fully established artist. So guess what? Enough people now got ear and after talent. So I have to make sure some package it and show it out. If you not ear, you got ear by me reaching out. You understand? Who reach out back to me, we give praise, big up on yourself and respect. Who say Steady Remz, big up on yourself. All who say Steady Remz, on the song say it. Just a wait and
So did you reach out to ZIS or there's a group in the YG one camp? Was it
Z
ZIS?
himself.
Z.
Yeah man. Big up Z man.
Yeah man, big up ZIS. Yeah man, Jabari, Unruly Kelly.
Unruly.
Not nice, yeah man.
One camp man. So
you link up ZIS and
me and Z link up and now and him say, yo, boop, a bad artist and thing. I say, yo, yeah, what going on, man? See there, read him up. You see me, because it's a juggling. You see me, some
really
other
bad, yeah man. No, they said read him a Khalid there.
Khalid there, Tops and Rose, you have Fully Bad, you have Hot Frost, you have, who else you have on it? You have a couple of whole artists on it, man.
A couple of them, man. It's nice struggling, man.
Yeah, George P.
Yeah.
And you have something there. What about them there?
Him that upon it too. I think him that upon it.
Think him in the pan it.
That's nice juggling, man.
It's a good juggling, man. You need to check out the juggling, man. You see me? So, I can't up now and I listen to the rhythm, I listen to the topics them when people sing about and so forth. I say, alright then, nobody talk about the money you know. I say, yo, I need to get them a money song. Because remember saying, I'm not just sing normal song, I'm not just go and sing, so I want my topics them different. You understand? So I say, alright then, connect up and we'll do that. Big Food, I suck on Big Food forward now, because I say, alright then, I want Big Food, you know, but I don't want to go to a chop thing. But I say, alright, if I get Big Food, I go chop. And you know, say if I ramp with my money, I go rise up my chip. You know the code guy already. You see me? So we just put that and I know say, alright, the quickest way for wire my money, you know, say I cash up. No. Yeah man, so I said son and I saw come the song forward that I just said son and I look on the thing. I said, no man, some people are hype in a dance and a hype over something like clothes and shoes. I said, but wait, I could have never clothes and shoes them a hype with. One day if them sick in them may die them right it. I say, little boy, better you move from your saying a dog. YGP, what we say? Big Food, Chop Chop, Gal Jazz, Must Drop, Spaceship, Chip Block, PayPal, put it on my cash app. What me say? Big Food, Chop Chop, Gal Jazz, Must Drop, Spaceship, Chip Block, PayPal, put it on my cash app. Me say, girl with your wife and a sister, you ma or this. Lindsay notorious, them gal a blow this. Government can't stop this dog, not even Andrew himself can hold this. Top coat! You know the style, no?
You're better than the rhythm, man. I don't lie. You're better than the rhythm. But most of the songs, them, I feel your flow, and that's my honest opinion.
Yeah.
Because the delivery, as I said, your flow them is different. Yeah. You know what I mean? Different flow, and the rhythm, it match the rhythm.
Yes.
And you're just comfortable upon the rhythm. Big Food.
Chop chop.
Less words, but you have punch and the clarity. That's one of the things that drew my attraction.
Okay.
Of the song. You see me? I said the rhythm bad, the rhythm bad. Taps and Rose, all of them bad, but you know what I mean? For you as an artist, where based in the UK, where you know UK artists is it's hard for us in the UK to get that traction.
Yeah.
And the boss, when I see the song pick up, let me say, I have to reach out for the eye and also give her strength. You know what I mean? Because I said at the musical journey, we have to give a brother the strength.
Yeah, man,
and play a part when we can, you know what I mean?
That
so,
is it, man.
Yeah, man. So, we see a part Spain, was it Spain?
Yeah, man.
See, I'm part of Europe that performed.
Yeah, so we do Belgium this year. We did Belgium in summer.
Okay, so was that a tour or?
Alright, so it's
Promoter reach
not,
out to your
yeah,
bookings?
promoter, man. Promoter reach out to in Belgium and so forth. Big up Reggae Jam Jerk Festival. Big them up. You see me? We got the Reggae Jam Jerk Fest in Belgium. You see me? It was good. Very good experience. That's my first time traveling for music because it was music that.
Where in Belgium was it? Is it Antwerp or?
No, it was again. Where is it? I'm soon tell you because the name not clicking on me right
I have a DJ who normally play a part in that. DJ Sensi. I don't know if you met him.
No.
He's a part of the Reggae Jam.
Okay, no, I never met him. But UK, who from the UK was the Andrew Fresh did come as well. Come
yeah.
I have
I see that,
yeah man, forward as well. So it was a good festival, man. Some artists from Europe was there as well. It was good experience, you know, get good accommodation and thing. It was good vibes and thing. That's my first booking officially. And then now we got dancehall episode in Spain in September. 2023 September. Just did dancehall episode in Spain. You know, it was a very good experience. She stayed with Munga and Herb and Natch. You see me? Boy did there. You see me? Yeah, man. So it was a very good experience, man. Place, that's when we dropped the big food, the place mash up.
Yeah, we see the feedback, man. We see the reaction and crowd and everything.
Feedback and thing.
Yeah, we are dance, and that's the next thing where.
Listen.
You know,
yeah, man. You see, the thing is now, we create a team now. So reach 2023 now, reach big food. So my dancer, manager, Angel, big up Angel Delight. You see me, she, baddest dancer. You see me? She put the routine and she make the dance move, she make the routine and we say, yo, this we are going to work with the big food and we make it and we do it. We have even the kids them on the beach and Spain and do it. Kids them, everybody, listen, we just go on live and we just do it and we see a little 4-year-old or 5-year-old. She forward and she just fit in the back. We say, wait, what am I see on the camera? I look around and I see her in the background and do it and I say, yo, a whole beach, everybody just froze. Stand at and just looking. Like them, so this is amazing. That was a different vibe for me. It's like, yo, that's song I go work, you know. I say, yo, that's song I go work, and everybody does fit in. Then the other groups them come and we start teach them the routine, and everybody start the routine, and we say, all right, then this I go work. You see me? Leave and go up on tour Jamaica now. You see me? We're from Spain straight to Jamaica.
Oh, so you flew left from Spain to Jamaica?
Yeah, just left from Spain, come UK, pick up my bag, head out to Jamaica the next day.
See, was that musical journey or just?
Was musical, ship, family as well, you know? Because just when we went down to surprise my mom for her 60th birthday.
Oh, see.
Yes, a surprise party.
Big up mommy, big up mommy.
Man, big up mommy, man.
Yeah, man, that's the next thing where me gain more respect for the eye. I always say, mommy. Me watch your career, you know, watch your journey, you know.
Yeah.
When I see it, I say, Jaja, because I see my mother for 4 years now, for Jamaica for almost 2 years.
Okay.
And I came back 2018, 2019.
Yeah.
And I've been back since COVID and Middle Africa, you know, and COVID catch me as well.
Yeah.
And I always start Jamaica back, you know.
Back and forth, yeah.
So when I see I do that for your mommy, I say, yo, you don't respect that brother,
yeah? Yeah.
More and more.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I love the move, man.
Yeah, man.
Mommy a surprise birthday, you know?
Definitely, man.
Good.
Proper surprise
Yeah, man, because enough man now do what you do, brother.
True.
I know mama, without mama wouldn't there. Without papa wouldn't there.
Definitely.
You see?
So you have to appreciate them, man. Because remember, you know, people celebrate death nowadays, you know. When I dead, them buy this and go do the same thing where you could have keep a celebration.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
so that was a moment when I say, yo, I forgot to do this to my mom. Because guess what? She was the #1 supporter in the music.
Yeah.
My first fan from high school, when she have to come to school for me, and then hear them say, yo, me a beat down decks, I interrupt class, and me a DJ in a class, and rare, and me a cause be a problem at school. She come and she defend me. She say, alright, yo, you can't do this at school now, but do it on your lunch break.
Yeah.
She always tell me, say, do it around school, not do it in a class.
So she was supportive from day one.
True, man. My first student money, man. When I go for you went and Lindsay and them. Fear money.
See?
10 out of 10. Fear money. Yeah. She tell me, said, alright, where you want to do? I'm the time I go art school and thing, but they're college. I mean, I do the general construction. I say, yo, I do this, you know. Because mommy always tell me from school days, I play football. She always say, make sure you get education.
Yeah.
If your foot broke, what you go do?
Mm-hmm.
And me always say, yo, mommy, I go make it, man. No matter what. Foot broke, I go come back again.
So mommy was supportive.
Very
it's
supportive.
Not, you know, it's not every mother is supportive. Some parents will say, you know, leave music difficult, you know, boss.
Not
and this
my
and
mother.
that, but some, you know, it's good for you to say your mother was supportive.
Mother follow my dream, man. Anything she see me love. Because my mother she like entertainment. As much as she used to have a sound system.
Yeah.
My dad was a singer, my mom, she entertain and like vibes and she keep a lot of parties and back in the days and so forth. So she known for certain things like that, you know? So my mother always instill education. She always say no matter what, anything you're doing, make sure you do education. So going to school, summertime, I always have a program I do. Either a national youth program, go teach at school, or me as the primary school I teach. When I the high school, the primary school I teach and so. Because I teach do it for youth service and thing then. Me go do bartending when time upon break every little time. Me always in and out of school. So when school done, summertime either me at work or me at the school or something. So me always find something to do. Because me as a man, me not like stay and not do nothing. That's why you see me always at work.
True.
Yeah, me stay focused on something. I can't just stay and not do nothing.
Real, man.
You know, me as a go get on a person, go for my dream. And me see that at that moment, me go feed. You see me? Yeah, so
Lana Jamaica, mama get her surprise birthday.
Yeah, man.
And how was her reaction?
Man, crying.
She cried.
Yeah, it was epic. Tell me, man, I should think most days me was in Spain, because I make sure I make the video call, me there at Spain and everything. And the party's on her birthday, so it was just good. You know, keep the party, decorate. We went down 2 days before, decorate up, sort out the place, make sure everything on point, everybody forward. Get the party. When she get she see the party, she surprised. Oh yeah. Surprise, greet everybody nice and thing. So we say, alright, then time to cut the cake. We get the cake. Like when you come so later, I get the cake. Go around at the pot now, then they talk to her, cover her face and thing. Walk come in now. Walk with the cake. When she come and she see me, she's a lucky thing they put her to sit down. As she sit down, she look and she say, what? What thing in that Spain? She couldn't believe. She started crying. She lost the emotion. It was just an epic feeling. A feeling that money can't buy. Nothing in this world will give me that feeling again. That joy, if you see the joy on my mother's face, nothing in this life, nothing will give me that full feeling.
Sentimental.
It was just an unexplainable feeling. You know? I don't know how to explain it. It's just different. The joy and happiness. If you see it, that moment, I don't know how to explain it as. It was just man.
So after mommy birthday, you know, you're up on the ground and put in the work musically. I'm going to see what they are putting in the work.
Yes, because we say, yeah, what? I use few days to the family. And after that, I can put in work right through. Yeah, man. The management, we did that. We say, alright, here we go on. This, she said, some woman organize up the thing them. And say, alright, here we're going to do this day, we're going to do this night. This evening, this right, the calendar, morning, noon, and night. Mom, so when we go sleep, I don't say sleep. So she said, sleep? You're sleeping out there in England, man. I don't on the plane. when they do over this, you go sleep. So, alright, then no problem. Be it 3 hours, day and night, day and night, day and night, day and night, day and night. With us, yesterday, that's a night. This a day, this a night. Put in the promotion, hard work. This a boom. Say, yo, here, where's the big food? Shoot that video there. I forget it, that's up on the ground.
Right, please.
Shoot the big food video. Yeah, talk about, man. Mad. We go link up there, we say, alright, here, what? Be a general, we are link up for this. Top people. Link up the people, them, get the connections, them. Management reach out, get the connection, them. The others reach out after them here over there, them start link. We know. I say, yo, me about the video shoot a forward, you know, mad video, you know, and the song bad, you know, yo, one piece of this, you know. People start. So in my book 3, when pan video see now a 5, me see, and 7, me start.
Stick up in this, you know. So there Jamaica put in the work. What's the difference you notice during that video shoot? Because you say you tell 3 person and then you say 5, 10 person. I'm just exaggerating. Yeah. What's the difference? Yeah. How does it feel to you?
I'm going to take out my dress. So here we go on now. You see, that respect, the way you feel now, you feel appreciated. You see me? You see what I go on and say, people forward willing to support your work. When I say big people, legends, people in that game where everybody know, established, and them I say, yo, that song you bad, them meet in another video. And them reach out to you. You don't have to reach out to them. Management didn't reach out to you or them. Them ear say did it. Because you know word of mouth. A man know say, yo, you know say boom. You reach up and next man reach out and say, yo, this man are there trying no. And you look and you get a phone call and say, yo, that's person you don't see. I say, what? We never link. Alright, here one, no worry. And you get the love. So that show is say when them see the talent and them hear the music, because them hear the song and all of them tell me straight and direct. Everybody, even people passing by and hear the song I play. They must say that song the bad. Them like the song itself. So them show them appreciate the work. Them don't know me, but them know the song. So you hear it.
You think you would have gotten that reaction in the UK if you were shooting the video?
No, 100% not. 100% not. Everybody got to tell them busy and they have work hard, them not the time. Them not give the support. Because you see the UK now, different to the UK and yard. Yard people support the music. Here is stifle. It's like when you tie up a bag with ear in it. And you say, yo, you go see how long this is going to stay. It's just that. Everybody just want to hold somebody that's choke hold. It's like them now want you get bigger than that one. Everybody have a friend that is an artist and them now want to support you. Or them play political, hypocritical. Them try play like them a support you. Them put on the like and tomorrow then take it off and then all.
Just like a Boom Boom said. Because Boom Boom do an interview with and it went viral.
We must say.
And he says not everybody who people laugh up and talk with you, but it's not everybody want to see you pass them. You know what I mean? And it shouldn't be that way because the music big for everybody. The cake big, the money can done. So everybody for just share the food, share the joy, share the movement, share the link. You know what I mean? Instead of trying to hold back somebody because you might say John Tam more talented than you musically if you write, can build songs quicker, write songs, can write as a writer. You know what I mean? Because people can tell who's a good writer from who's just a normal writer. You know what I mean? We can tell say he's a good songwriter. You know what I mean? He's a good author. By listening to all your portray your songs then.
Definitely.
So some people will see them look at things there and there's not everybody want to see everybody progress. That's not me. You know what I mean? I'm an artist as well, but that's not me. The music, me always I say the music big for everybody. So in Jamaica you get a different energy from over here.
Yeah, definitely man.
Yeah?
100%. They will get acceptance. A man want to know you. A man just know say you're artist, a man hear say you're artist. Well, go on, yo, respect the man, certain bigger man. We're in the game how much years. I come to you as a G when they never know it from Adams. And a man I come give you the respect. Oh, where sir? A man I look upon you, sir. Boy, Remz, where him come from? Yo, him just pop up on the scene and them try to block you from shows. Them here say you're far from show. Yo, them youth just a far in game, my man, they are all long, you know, and I put them on event and way. Remember time when me get hell, man link me on event. And when me set up boom and them see me flyers come out, yo, Steady Remz that on flyer. Flyer and thing. Yo, them are youth are just coming and give me number. Just I know the man from somewhere, you know. And the man I say, yo, the youth are talented. We are talking about man just a far. The man talented. But because them are do it for much years and so forth, them expect me to take 15 and 20 years to do the same thing when you would do. Because remember, if you had the foolishness with 15 and 20, you don't mean the experience. You know? Mean the experience doing foolishness. Because if you go up the ladder, and you take one step, and me learn so I can go up, I can take an elevator, go up the ladder. I don't have to use the ladder, I can just use an elevator and go up. And create the elevator. So you tell me I should have used the elevator? I should have just used your ladder because that's the way I used for 15 years. No, there's an elevator, there's a lift, there's a pulley, you can pull up the cement on the roof. You don't need to carry on your shoulder up the ladder. So people may realize that is a problem. And that is between the elders and the younger generation. I've been hearing this all along, the generation problem. The old dancehall, new dancehall and all of that problem.
And you experience that?
Of course I experience it.
How do you combat that? How do you over?
I combat it by continue doing me. Because guess what they say? When me do me, once you attack bad about me, that means I do something good. Because if I not do something good, you're not a bad man and you're not going to talk. Because if I never did do something good, you wouldn't talk to me. You wouldn't dare now with me and interview me. You understand? So me focus on me not focus on you. Nobody me not focus on them, me not bad man. If an artist win now, if I go on stage show now, and an artist I perform, me when I first man I said so boom and bust blank.
And that's how it should be, you know, that's how it must be, you know.
Any artist me support. My first one stick up my phone and start a video. When you look, me send on Instagram, me send it, me have a number, me send up on Instagram your video. when me I perform, I never get a video from an artist.
Yeah.
We have artists, so me and them do shows, multiple shows. And me send them video all the while, and me I perform. If me not get some of them my phone before, and me not get a clip. And I look at it and I say, but it come like some silent bad man in a game. So guess what? Me not stop do it, but me wanna do it selective.
Yeah.
So if you show me the respect there, me go show you the respect there. Cause guess what? No man no more than me, and me no more than no man. Well away a human being first before music and everything. We have to have a thing called humbleness and humility and be humanitarians. Cause me have to treat it as human before. If me meet any superstar icon right as side of me know, you think me go up on hey, and no, I'm not like that. You're human, me I go deal up on a human. I respect you. No matter how big you are. I'm not about to be frightened and all that. I'm not frightened. I respect you. 100%. Make I respect your work what you do and you as a human. However, me not go just feel like say yo because you come in here so now and you not say morning to me. Me not go reach out and say yo morning just and such to you. You come see me. So if you open the door and you see me, you know, because you are the biggest superstar, means me go hey. No, I'm gonna sit here until you address me.
Yeah, that is it.
Because me a superstar as well. Me might not be looked at that way, but that's when I look in the mirror, that's what I see. And what I see is what matters. Because me don't have two eyes, two vision. Me can't look on your vision of me.
Yeah.
You have to tell me that, what you think of me. And that's something I take on selectively. Because if you tell me something negative and me I go take it on for my thing, me not go do that. Because me see myself with so much light already. Because as me say, I'm shedding in the darkness. You see me? So me see the light. When me in the dark, I can see the light. But when you're in the light, I can't see what's in the dark.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's the thing, man. So as it relates to the UK and Jamaica now, a more supportive system is in the Jamaican industry. But over here, I don't understand. We are Jamaica, it's like a crab in a barrel thing, and I feel like people don't support because them have a friend. For example, a DJ won't play a song because if he play a song, he have an artist friend. Well, I say, yo, you play Steady Remz song, and I play my song. And him now go tell him friend, say, yo, that song there shit. And Steady Remz song better, so that's why I'm not going to play it. Or your song, no Mr. Master, but him not going to tell you the truth. Him play political, him rather tell you say this and that. However, them play politics. The DJ them play politics. The promoters play politics. Cause them book who them a go book them friend. Or them go school together, or them baby mother brother, or them have some affiliation. Them book them not book people for them talent. That's why the industry not growing.
Are you referring to the UK?
UK, 100%. Me talk about the UK.
Your personal experience?
Personal experience.
What are one of your obstacles in the UK doing your music? Like
work and music. Doing work and music.
And do you get enough like plays on the radio, support from the DJs them when they send them the song, you get any response?
Not enough, you know. Because it never can be enough, you know. But I would say I don't get the full support like what I should get based on the love from people and acceptance I get from people. Everybody like music. When I play music now, you're gonna like it. Or you have one of them where you like, you must like one. Same thing with DJs. A DJ will take a song until they say, yo, him like it. Him like it. I'm in Jamaica, you walk up to him and give him a song and then play it. Him never listen it. Him never listen it. Him don't know where you say.
Downtown, straight away they start playing.
Straight plug. You just know say have it. I say, yo, send me it.
Send it to WhatsApp or send me
right away. DJ play it right same time. Over here, so. You and him man drink. Your flask, you and him eat, you and him play a game, you and him play football every day, you and him there same place. You and him party 7 days a week. When you book up I see him rave them 7 days. Yeah? You do everything with them. And then now play a song. They find a simple excuse to tell you, say, yo, no man, at 5 minutes we get, oh, you know, say juggling this, them be an excuse for not play your song. However, them play a man with them don't know from Jamaica. Them listen to Uptown Monday, or them listen to I think I said, oh, them got Google it. And then you, I'm me Buster Sanya, UK. Yeah, yes, I'm me Buster Sanya. I first play the Sanya. Them want to be this group. Want to say them play a song first, and them to this in the UK, I try and put on some status.
So you would say then they don't acknowledge the UK based artist songs more than a lot like how they do in Jamaica?
No.
Because not just you, not just me, other artists, a lot of artists say the same thing. So you'd say they don't give the UK artists them the full support.
They don't respect us, that's the first thing.
Even when the songs, them voice good, master good, record good.
Them don't respect it, see me.
Them
And I don't know, I think it's a level of, as me say, politics. You play a Steady Remz song, but you're such man a friend. Such man I go text you or call you a morning. Or such man I go say this. Artists themselves them have corruption in them as well.
Yeah, man.
So artists
Look
amongst
on that, bro.
artists as well. And not just promoter or just DJ. Artists amongst
Yeah, man,
them
everywhere.
silent eat and them silent, them like you and take off you like tomorrow. Them do this and be things them go out. We never pre them. Them follow you, unfollow you, them do all kind of things.
Everywhere, man.
Me tell us that me tell us what people do, no matter me. You see, if you not directly to Steady Remz, it don't affect me. Cause me no work for likes, me no work for comment, me no work for that. Me work for please, to put out quality and not quantity. Listen what me say, me put out quality and not quantity. So from a Steady Remz, you won't see 50 music from Steady Remz I put out. Me rather put out 5 and promote 5 and the 5 work. You see me? Cause me I put out a mass production of crop. You put out mass production of crop and you don't grow them properly. You don't nurture them, you don't spray them, you don't clean them and prune them properly. They might go out dirty and infectious and nobody not going to buy that brand again. You understand? While if you put out quality, you know say when you buy a Clarks, you know what you get. Suede and leather with your stitching and your cheese. You know say that you go for. When you go take a next brand nowhere, this minute you get it, one little ripped up on the side. Then next time you get it, you're so sweat. You buy size 9, and when it come like a 8.5. Next time you buy size 10, it bigger. You know what, up and down. Everybody likes stability. And stability come with consistency and quality. So when you tell your father Steady Remz shop, a quality I get. The merch them, come get them as well. The Steady Remz merch them.
So you have merch out now?
Look on my back. Yeah man, we have merch man, what you talk about? You have merch, man. Everything there.
Thing, man.
Yeah, man. You can get the merch, them, man.
That's what I talk about, you know?
So you don't know the thing, but you merch them there. You have the Steady Remz hat, different styles. You know, so we have the Steady Remz shirt, everything. See there? Big food. You see me? We have everything. So you just link up, man. You see me? Link up. Right now, I keep on all that because we have to make sure them know what time of day. Our brand.
Steady Remz,
true? Yeah, man.
So the artists at work.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Marketing.
Yeah, definitely. Marketing is up, man. You can get a Steady Remz shirt, you can get a gym wear, you can get a tracksuit, you get your jacket, you can get anything you want. Hat, you want bandana, hat, everything.
And where do you go to get that?
So you can link up Steady Remz on Instagram, or you can link up Angel Delight, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. Angel Delight or Steady Remz Music Official. Just link you up. Get them merch them anywhere in the world today. You just link up anywhere in the world. Anyway, if you're right now Pluto, a spaceship of out tomorrow. So we can get it to each other, isn't it? Yeah, man.
So Steady Remz have a team are rolling now.
Yeah, so
you have your dancer, you have a management team.
Yeah, no, so my dancer is my manager.
Okay, see.
Yeah, so she do both work. Yeah, she will well for arts, you know. So we have a team building. Because guess what? As me tell you a while ago, we do quality over quantity. So you know, I got to Steady Remz are rolling 10 person, and the 10 person don't make sense for Steady Remz team. You understand? So I rather roll it one that work with Steady Remz.
Yeah. So
until then the team take time a build. But it a build with loyal people. Yeah. Anybody where you see run Steady Remz is going to be a good quality person, because quality is assurance, and that's what me stand for. Quality. So you only see quality people around. So you see dancing, a quality dancer. Management, proper management. You understand? Everything proper under one umbrella, man.
See.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So the Big Food video, is there an official date out for it, or is it out already?
Yeah, man, it's out, man.
Release already?
Yeah, man, it's out, man. November 10th. It's out. Last Friday.
Last Friday, okay.
Yeah, so out November 10th. The video is out. The visual is out. Check it out, people.
Yeah, man, check it out.
Steady Remz Vivo. Just type it up on YouTube, Steady Remz Vivo, and you'll find Big Food. Yeah, man.
So what's next for Steady Remz?
What's next? What's next is conquering the world, the globe, spreading the music across the world. You see me? As me say, the spaceship will come off soon. They got Pluto. So some people, some fans over there took my signal pick up over there on the satellite, so them know over there listen to Steady Remz. So And we check the analytics and we see it over there. You see me?
Ah.
So, yeah, man, Pluto the next place, people.
Yeah, sky settings.
Sky settings.
Is
Me remember, you know, supercharge.
Yeah.
Look on the cover art. They're on top of the world. You see me? It's for a reason.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So the artist vocabulary the normal. The man are going beyond time. You see me?
Yeah, man. Time zone, man.
Yes, man. So yes, just go and do the thing, man.
Yeah, well, you know, more and more the people get a small clip, you know.
Yeah, but we all go small piece of the big food.
Yeah, man, so I want to get a small clip of what really I go up on the big food, you know. But I want to do a small clip, you know, I get, you know. You see me? My name is not the sound, I forgot go YouTube to find it out. But so I go on there, just piece like that, me give you know.
Yeah, man, a big star that now you there, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so I just piece like I give them, I don't want them see everything. So, I forgot tune in for see that.
Yeah, man, the video clean, man.
What you talk about, man? Clean video, man. Everything there, man. So I have to make sure so you go tune in. If you don't want to see it, I want to check it out.
See, I got on the strip there too.
What you talk about?
Because the whole dog I told you, Spanglers, you know.
Yeah, man.
Straight, man.
They say thing there, man. So I don't know it's a big food, man. So.
Yes, man. So all the people book Steady Remz.
So you know you can reach out to management. Yeah, man, reach out to management, man. Angel Delight on Instagram.
And that's one word, Angel Delight.
Yeah, just type it Angel underscore Delight
34.
34, yeah. Angel underscore Delight 34. So once you reach out, you can get bookings. You can reach out to me as well, but make a direct straight to her. You understand?
Yeah.
And she do the bookings and everything. So once you reach out to me, you can send it directly. So if you can get our page, go straight direct to Angel underscore Delight 34.
I know the people find the fans find you.
Fans
And the people who just discover Steady Remz. How do they find you on the social media
Alright,
platforms?
so on Instagram now, our Facebook is Steady Remz Music Official. And music with a Z. You understand? So you can find me there on TikTok now. Yeah, we are building a TikTok platform as well. So Steady Remz TikTok. So just follow us over Steady Remz. And you don't know, Steady Remz Official. That's it on TikTok. Steady Remz Official. So you just follow over there. So be your vibes, be your fun. You see a different side to Steady Remz. Because the acting, you're going to see fun, you're going to see drama, you're going to see music, you're going to see vibes, everything on the life. We just talk about anything. That's a small thing, man. Just follow up on the TikTok. As I say, everywhere Steady Remz. My Vivo, or my YouTube channel, Steady Remz Music Official. That's the Vivo. That's the YouTube channel, I should say. And the Vivo is Steady Remz Vivo. So just tune in, you can get everything. And do remember, Steady Remz is on all digital platform. You have Audio Mac, you have the Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Amazon, anywhere you're there. Just type in Steady Remz and you'll find me. Support the music, get the merch, them. Anything you want, link Steady Remz. Everything connect, man.
Okay, for the upcoming aspiring artists,
Yeah.
what do you have to say to them if they want to start with the musical journey? What advice would you give to them? Encouraging.
Yeah. So the first thing that I tell a man, you know, or a female, or anyone that want to do music, you have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody not believe in you. And do remember with this, nobody, no family, no friend, nobody ever believe in you until you show them if you believe in her. You understand? Which means you have to put in the work. Put in the work and make the work speak for itself. Your work is your best recommendation. You understand?
Believe in yourself.
Believe in it. That's the first thing. You have to believe before you start, before you go in a studio, before you think about music. Believe so you can do it. If you have three things. You have to think it, dream it, and then achieve it. You understand? You have to do them this. If you think it first, and dream it, and believe it, then you will achieve it. Believe me.
Yeah, man. Hard work, networking.
Hard work. Yeah, man. Definitely. That is it. You have to hard and smart work. Hard and smart work. You can't just do hard work alone without smart work. So you have to have hard and smart work. You have to network, forget work. Remember that.
Yeah.
So,
network, forget work. I like that.
Yeah, man.
I like that.
Network, forget
First we
work.
hear that. Network, forget work. Tell us the artist. You know that,
Yeah,
yeah?
man. And that is it, man. You have to network, forget to it, man.
Alright, so one more thing now. You know me, I'm the man of peace. You know what I mean? You just fly back from Jamaica and we see the crime has been stemming and getting higher over the past several years.
Yeah.
You know, your personal experience in Jamaica. And you know, some people say them now go back to Jamaica. Them afraid to go back. You know what I mean? What would you have to say to the people in Jamaica that are committing the crime, and also the people in the diaspora who are in two minds of going back home?
Alright, so firstly, we're going to speak of the crime doors. So the people them now, brother, may I beg you now, may I implore now, brother. Just think about this for 1 second. You can't give life. So why you take life? Badness is glorified in our culture. When you're a bad man, you get respect. Enough, me talk to bad people, and when I talk to them, one thing them demand is respect. But I think this come from a childhood drama as well. You see me? Childhood trauma is a big thing. We go through some mental depression as child growing up and we not deal with it. Depression and them thing there, mental health in Jamaica is not checked.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime you hear mental health, people think say you're mad. Because if me go to Jamaica and say me have a mental health problem right now, they're going to say you're mad. It's not mad. People have different conditions. You understand? And I was like that as well too. Come to think of it. Because when we're in Jamaica, it's do me knowing that the society.
Yeah.
They don't teach it, and I think it should be taught in school.
Me as well, yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't glad become know some suffer depression.
Alright, see that?
You know?
We don't know no about that. We don't know about that. We know depression, people say depression. I never know say that was a mental health situation. Disability. When people said people have a disability, them say you're handicapped. And we used to laugh at that as children and think. We grew up and know say no, it's a disability. Certain things is not we need to think as a nation. We not think. We head the stocks right now. Anything we work with trend with.
Yeah.
We see somebody do that, we then continue to do it. We need to stop and think for a second. Badness now. You take up badness. Tell me where badness can bring you. Because only 3 places I know. You know. If you know a 4th place, you can tell me. You see for now, prison, a dead house, you are go or something there. A grave. I remember I said dead house and grave,
yeah.
a 2 places. You understand? You don't have nowhere to go. You don't have nowhere to go.
Yeah.
You say badness pay. How people pay to badness for how long? How much bad man you know live to tell the tale? And which part bad man them there? Because remember, you know, the lifestyle that we live, you know, are as men. What we want? We want a woman, we want to have a luxurious life, and we want a family. How much of them did at prison? I don't know. None of the 3 in their prison. Check the box now. You don't have kids at prison. No woman is down there for you. And your family not there. They want to come for a family there. Once every month or every 2 months. You see your family and where you go. Yeah, sometimes none at all. You understand? If you're dead, no way. If you ever get sickness and they send you to a hospital, just know see your family are going to pay. Because remember this, you know, bro. That's why badness will never stop. And the crime will never stop. Because you do something now. You kill somebody's parents, bro. You kill somebody's parent. And that person grew up now. 15 years later. And him decides him to come kill somebody for you. You might dead now, or you might dead prison, you know, him come kill your pitney. Or your pitney grow up now. Or come kill you. Your pitney grow up now. Sister that the one that kill you, then kill. All of this kill now, go nowhere. It's madness. Sometime in Jamaica, and not even Jamaica alone, even here as well. Postcode war and all this. You grow up here and say you can't go across the road. Them are enemy from across the road, and you grow up in a this now. You and that person are enemy. You don't know why. Because your great grand cousin down the road they stab up that the one that shoot that the one that in some violence. Make uno no deal and the 2 road no deal and uno neighbors and uno deal. That don't make no sense, yo. You see me?
Real,
put down the guns. Think. We think the problem with Jamaica as well, them need to widen them horizon. Them need me think that everybody in Jamaica should get the opportunity to travel.
Yes.
At least once. Because when you travel, it open up your brain. Yeah. You see other culture and you realize that there's more to this.
More to it, yeah.
Because even the ghetto, you didn't get enough people that are Kingston, them never got watch race. A lot of people don't know, them never go Montego Bay.
Vice versa, yeah.
People that are Mobile, them never come Kingston. So they don't know, you're not stuck in where you know. So what you know in your community is where you grow up with. You grow up so you know, say, oh, this man I done, this man I get respect. They can glorify this man, where the bad man. He might do everything.
So next youth man come be down.
Him want the respect because guess what? Him daddy beat him and the daddy tell him say him not turn to nothing. Or him now the daddy in also kind of daddy in prison. And the mother beat him. You come like your workless papa. Or the girl, you're not turn to nothing. You come like some of the germs and then this your style as everything. And guess what now? You believe that you grow to believe so me not turn nothing. Mommy say me not turn nothing. Or daddy say me not turn nothing.
True.
And you believe say that now, so that demotivate you and the really moral. So there now that become you get depression and you grow with all kind of thing.
Think by your mind.
Yes, and you grow you turn an adult when you're supposed to focus on children stuff.
Yeah.
Then people are touch you. You have in the same house, people are touch you. You have a stepfather touch you and so forth. You can't talk. A boy pitting now, have him stepfather touch him. If you talk, you're a fish. Them class has this and that and style that you have to run with. You have to change you from certain place. And I remember I know you asked that and the man touch you, Same thing with the daughter as well. You're afraid to talk, you keep it in and then you come develop something and you come to a monster. Because you keep it in, you know, nobody to talk to. There should be more counselors. You know, the culture need to change now, man. We need to change, we need to wise up, man. We need to leave from this negative is okay. And this narrative that we have that badness is cool. It's not cool. You know when badness cool? It's cool in the seat on TV. I mean, I watch a show. I say, yo, that show is bad. Yo, this funny. At that time, it's bad.
Yeah, well.
But it's cool that time. But when you put it, you think it's nice to see your people when they right at your foot. And you can't go nowhere. And your family are run up and down. House burned down and you hear gunshot night and day. It's not nice. As if you mash up the culture now. So tourism mash up now. People don't want to come to your community or come to Jamaica anymore. Yeah. So what me have to say with the tourists them now? I went to Jamaica. You understand? And I wasn't harmed in nowhere. I went to volatile communities, different places I traversed through. I wasn't harmed. However, we know that crime and violence is there, but it's not everywhere. And sometimes things can happen anywhere. You might be at the wrong place, the wrong time and so forth. And things can happen. However, Jamaica is not that bad as people portray it to be and make it sound. Crime is there. I see people going to Mexico. But Mexico is crime village. Everything at my Mexico.
Yeah, man, Brazil and places.
It's terrible. You understand? But people just push the narrative.
Yeah.
And we have to just structure with things as a country, as a nation. You see, when things happen in the UK, it's not posted on the social media.
Not everything.
You're not going to know unless it get out of hand. If something I'm in a borough, somebody in Jamaica won't know say a boy gets stabbed in crime last week. They won't know that. They won't know that crime is here as well as Jamaica.
Yeah.
They think that London is good and UK is very good and they don't show the bad because they don't publicize the negatives. But Jamaica do the opposite. They publicize the negatives and not the positive. If a community build up now and me, so for example, I do a charity out there now and so forth. Nobody not talk about that. Yeah. But make a negative thing come up, say, yo, Steady Remz do this, Steady Remz get old with this or that. That are the big flagging, and the flaggers them are the next problem too. You see me? Them post things for likes and for comments, but they don't think of the culture. Because you have to think of the culture first. A billion try to build the culture. If you try to kill the culture, you're not going to have no work as a vlogger. We'll be real.
But yeah, some vloggers are doing good work.
So, of course, big up everyone that is doing good work.
Yeah, I do not have to tear down your body just for the clickbait or the money or so, you know what I mean?
Yeah, big up everybody that is doing good work. Whether artists, dancers, music entertainers, civilians, everybody that is doing good, big up yourself. Keep on doing good as you should.
But I think, you know, the crime in Jamaica, the man them are war. So like you just go far from Jamaica, you go some of the volatile garrison them. Yeah. And you're good. They're there back safe and sound. Yeah. Touch wood. But the man them are war with who them are war with. Which we can't stop. So a man like you're not worried nobody. So you're good for God, you're good. The people in the diaspora now where say them afraid to go back. If you're not worried nobody, you're good.
Yeah, but sometimes affiliation too, you know. Remember, you know.
Affiliate with yourself with wrong people.
And sometimes you don't even know. Because guess what? Where your cousin are Jamaica right now?
Which one of my cousin?
Anyone your cousin. When they're right now, you can guarantee him there where you're there. You don't know him there, I don't know.
They can't swear for
you don't know what nobody doing at this present moment. I don't know what my cousin is doing, my brother, I don't know what they're doing at this present moment. No. I don't know.
Yeah.
So I say that to say this. Sometimes people around you are doing things silently. You don't know.
You
You're
don't know,
innocent,
yeah.
but they know. They are involved and they're not going to tell you.
And
They're
you
going to
hang
be
around
around
them.
you and they become a threat to you
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
And you don't know. You go there, you die because of them.
Because you're
Can't catch
associated with
Quaco,
them, yeah.
catch him shirt.
Yeah.
You understand?
But when I think the man them fear dirt, the innocent toddler them and granny or uncle, if them not involved in the war, you know?
Well, this is the problem, bro.
Worry, the man where you worry. That's my take on it. Because crime is always there. I know in Jamaica that, but the man them doesn't like when the man them are dirty, innocent family member when they're involved. You see me?
Yeah, that is a problem, but that is a choice as well, bro. That's part of the game. That's a part. Once you choose that road, you know so your family is at risk. Even in the movie, you watch the movie. That's why the assassins them separate themselves from them family, and them play like them not a family. Them change and them go in a different country. Them do everything because that's your weakness. And as the art of war say, all is fear in love and war.
Yeah. Yeah, but so, I tell the people, I say, come back home. Go back home.
Go back, man. But guess what? Everything you have to take precaution in.
Yeah.
Just take precaution, but go back home, man. It's
Jamaica
visit,
nice.
invest in your country. As I said, invest in your country. Make sure you invest in your country and have something back home. Because if you're foreign, you never know what can happen. Invest something at home. Okay, all look a little bit, man. Yeah, man.
So anymore, well said, Steady Remz, well said. I like that. Yeah, man. So people when you hear that from the artist, forward back, man, but think twice before you make that choice. Zed?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. So after Big Food now, any more projects in the making?
Yeah, man.
We can look out for.
Work now, stop, man. I hope I think of forward, you know, as I say, no need to stay tuned, you know. Stay tuned. Because remember, I tell you, 2024 is a different level. We're going to change the ball game. Ball game, I'm going to change. I'm going to shuffle up the dice right now. You see me? And make you better know. So it's going to be different.
Yeah.
So, when you don't know Steady Remz as far different topic, different style. After the KFC bucket, I will use and touch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, yeah, man. Any big ups, any shout out before
yeah, man.
we close off?
Yeah, talk about, man. You have to big up everybody, man. So, big up. I got big up all producers that we work with. You see me? Big up Royal Music. Big up Dark Charm. Big up Marky Blender. Big up YGP. Big up Eastside Sensation. Big up everybody who work with me. You see me? I got big up every single producer. Big up everybody who believe in a Steady Remz. Big up Marlon Smoke. Big up Angel Delight. Big up all of my fans, my supporters. Big up my family. Big up my friend. Big up everybody who supports Steady Remz. All of who DJs who support me, keep supporting. Big up everybody who put a like, put a subscribe on my Vivo, who share it. Big up everybody, all of one of fans, all who not support me, who not soon start support me, all who talk negative. Big up on yourself, said we. Big up everybody. I just want to make you know, say, yo, just keep tuning in. Because Steady Remz, remember, I'm telling you, 2024 is going to be a year for remember. We're going to change the game. Just big up everybody for support.
Yeah, man. Who they hear them name? Big up with the self.
Yeah, everybody, me can't remember everybody.
Yeah, can't remember them, so.
Big up, that's why I say big up everyone that support.
Yeah, see?
Because me don't want a man. Yo, you never see me. Big up all of the artists in the UK where do the work. Big up who now do the work. We're going to watch this and start do the work.
Yeah.
Big up everybody.
Yeah.
Artists, dancer, promoter, videographer. Big up everybody. Yeah, big up 12 span visual as well for the visuals. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up everybody. Big up the dancer, them. Big up Color. Big up Energy. Big up Shelly Belly. Big up Logo. Big up Lewis. Big up everybody that support the movement. More and big up every single body we go forward in the video. We'll get the squad. We just want to big up everybody we support. Big up Jazz P. Big up Kibaki. Big up every single body we support Steady Remz.
Yeah,
you see me? And as me say, if your name not get big up right now, big up yourself. You see me?
Remz, give thanks for the moment.
Greatness,
it's an honor, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
give thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah, man.
Feature upon the platform. So.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, I support you. Is it?
I support.
Alright, so let's continue the journey, same way.
Yeah, man.
You've proven that you have the talent and the ability to go far and beyond. So, big food.
Thank you for your support as well.
Yes, man. All right, bless you.
Support, man.
Is that the management?
This is management, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, management. Yeah, yeah, man. So, Remz, manners and respect, you know.
Blessings, man.
Full seed? Yes.
Lion foot. You know the code. Lions.
That's it.
Big food.
Chop.
Gal dress,
Must
must drop,
drop.
spaceship, chip clock, PayPal, put it on him, cash up. Lionfoot TV, One TV, UK bodies, Steady Remz said that. Hazard,